Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And as you can see, I've got a box full of them, a bunch of brand new Canopy Airlocks, which will keep your airplane cool and secure when you're away from it during the warm part of the year. And it's been warm pretty much lately, so stay tuned for some more fun with the Canopy Airlocks.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
And we're showing off here a new Canopy Airlock. Dan makes these. It's a really nice product, and let me demonstrate a little bit more about it. It just basically slides into your airplane. You slide it onto the post you have in your aircraft now, and you latch onto this post. So you just bring the canopy forward, latch up. Now you can lock your canopy. It can't be opened, and this lock assembly right here gives you a nice 2-inch gap to let a lot of hot air out. Pretty much basically big enough to stop somebody's hand from getting in and stealing anything, but allowing your canopy to have ventilation when you're parked on a hot day. So this is the Canopy Airlock. They're available in the company store, but here it is. Get one for your airplane, and you won't have to worry about a hot day being parked on the ramp.